Welcome to my CAD tutorials, Revit architecture tutorials. In this video, I will show you how you can assign a material to a wall. First, go to the Manage tab, click on Materials under the Settings tab. You can see the material browser. We have 3 types of walls in our screen. Therefore, I will create different types of materials for each. For 150 mm thickness, matte color, in-build texture for the 200 mm thickness, and Google image for 300 mm thickness. To assign material on 150 mm wall, create new material from here and rename it through the right menu option. For color selection, go to the Appearance tab and click on the color and choose any color, like gray, and press OK. To assign material on 200 mm wall, create new material from here and rename it through the right menu option. To assign in-build texture, click on the asset browser and search for materials in the given library, like wall cover. Choose any one by replacing option on the right side. Close the asset browser. To assign material on 300 mm wall, create new material from here and rename it through the right menu option. To assign Google image, go to the Appearance tab and click on the image area to choose the image. Browse the image, click Open and OK. Now, select each wall and assign the material by using the Wall Properties option. Let me help you to do that. First, select the 150 mm wall and go to Edit Type. Click on Edit and browse the material from here. Now select the material for 150 mm wall and press OK. Do the same steps for others. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe for more interesting videos.